Hello, food enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll dive into the wonderful world of meal prepping, a game-changing approach to preparing and organizing your meals in advance. Meal prepping not only saves time but also ensures you have delicious, nutritious meals ready to enjoy throughout the week. If done correctly, will also assist in your gym efforts. Join us as we explore the essential basics of meal prepping to help you embrace this efficient and rewarding culinary practice. Part 1: Planning and Preparation. Define your goals. 1. Identify your meal prep objectives, such as saving time, eating healthier, or managing dietary restrictions. 2. Consider your weekly schedule and the number of meals you want to prepare in advance. Choose recipes wisely. 1. Opt for meals that are easily customizable, use common ingredients, and can be reheated, without compromising taste or texture. 2. Select a variety of recipes to avoid mealtime monotony and keep your taste buds satisfied. Make a grocery list. 1. Based on your chosen recipes, create a detailed grocery list to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. 2. Shop for fresh produce, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats to build well-balanced meals. Part 2: Efficient Cooking Techniques. Batch cooking. 1. Prepare large quantities of staple ingredients like roasted vegetables, grains, and proteins all at once to save time and energy. 2. Portion and store these ingredients in separate containers for easy mixing and matching during meal assembly. 1 pot and sheet pan meals. 1. Embrace one-pot wonders and sheet pan meals, where you can cook an entire meal in a single pot or on a single baking sheet, minimizing cleanup and maximizing flavor. Freezer-friendly meals. 1. Cook and freeze meals that reheat well, such as soups, stews, and casseroles, to have ready-made options for busy days. Part 3: Safe and Efficient Storage. Invest in quality containers. 1. Choose a variety of meal prep containers in different sizes, ensuring they are microwave and dishwasher safe for easy reheating and cleaning. Proper storage techniques. 1. Allow cooked foods to cool before refrigerating or freezing to maintain food safety. 2. Label containers with the meal's name and date of preparation for easy organization and tracking. Refrigeration and freezing guidelines. 1. Store meals in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days and in the freezer for up to 2 to 3 months for optimal quality. Part 4: Creating Balanced and Nutritious Meals. Focus on macronutrients. 1. Ensure each meal includes a balance of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, for sustained energy and satiety. Incorporate a variety of colors and flavors. 1. Include a diverse range of colorful vegetables and herbs to add visual appeal and a mix of flavors to your meals. Portion control. 1. Pay attention to portion sizes to maintain a healthy caloric intake and prevent overeating. There you have it, the essential basics of meal prepping to help you embrace this efficient and rewarding culinary practice. By planning ahead, mastering efficient cooking techniques, and properly storing your meals, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious dishes throughout the week with minimal effort. Meal prepping is not only a time saver but also a fantastic way to stay on track with your health and dietary goals. Thank you for joining us in this informative journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more culinary tips and meal prep ideas. It gives me the inspiration to keep going. Until next time, happy meal prepping and bon appetit!